Oh, Father God. This will become a real problem in my life, you know. I have to talk to somebody about this. I have to go text pastor or something. No, man. It's ruined my life. I have to go just talk to I have to go text pastor. Oh, God. Dear Pastor, I am writing to you to ask you something very challenging that I have been battling with. As a young Christian, you know I am very embarrassed to even admit it, Pastor. Pastor, it is something I find myself doing very regularly and I feel guilty about it, Pastor. Pastor, I want to know if it is okay in God's eye or will I go to hell for it. Pastor, I don't want to go hell, you know. Pastor, is it okay to poop while you pray? Pastor, when I bend down to pray, my body is in the perfect position to just let the biggest fart out. I do it sometime, you know, Pastor, but me feel shame after. Pastor, is it a sin? Will I be condemned for pooping while praying? Pastor, I need some advice, Pastor. Please, sincerely yours, Poop and Pray Radekal.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Big.